What's up, everybody? Welcome to another unboxing video. And your boy Silent got some good ass equipment with his stemmy. Alrighty, so let's go over what I got. A shotgun microphone right here, and you attach it to your phone. And of course, since I got an iPhone 11, got me the little headphone ejector. So, and then I got me a ring light, so I can better do these unboxing videos with. And hold on a second, I just got today as well. Let's open up this box and see what else I got today. A box within a box. Get that shit out of here. It's a motherfucking camera holder, but not just any camera holder. This shit is a beaut. This shit is beautiful. It does so many things. I'm excited. I can't wait to try it out. I can't wait to break this bad boy open and shoot some good quality videos. Alright, well, let's open up my shotgun mic. Alright, and here it is. Here's the shotgun with the wind resistant microphone thingy ball that goes over it. Microphone stand that you attach to your phone. Two different cords. This one's for your phone, and I don't know what that one's for. And a cute little case. Alright, so that's my shotgun portable phone microphone. Now onto the ring light. Alright, so here's the stand. Here's the ring. And I'm assuming these are the parts. So, and it also has a little clicker you can use to snap your photos with without having to touch your phone. So that's that. Can't wait to set it all up. Alright, now we got this baddie all set up. So you set your phone right here. And this has a lot of options. Like I said, you also got a clicker, so you don't have to come up and you can be distant. You don't have to come up and touch your phone at all. The stand, it goes pretty tall. I forgot the exact feet that it goes up to. I think either like 4 to 6 feet, so it stands up pretty tall, you know. And it also has this level thing right here to let you know that you're leveled. So see how I moved it and the bubble moves? Yeah, pretty dope. Oh, also you can unscrew this and you can use this as a stand for your phone or camera without the ring. Okay, so if you remove this, they give you so add-on piece right here. You can stick on that you can snap onto your phone and just have your phone. And or you can, I have a camera, so now I have a stand for my camera as well. So that's fucking awesome. Turn on this bad boy. Ooh, that's fucking bright as fuck. Okay, and you also got your brightness up and down volume of the brightness or intensity. And then you also got 3 different colors. So you got, I believe this is natural. Then you got like the in the hospital or inside the office building, you know, LCD, typical standard lighting. Then you got this and that, which is like a natural brown tone, I guess. I guess this is more for makeup. So now I'm going to be recording my unboxing videos using this stand, using this light. You know, so I just hook up my phone right here, move this down like this, you know, and then now I can, you know, use both my hands while I'm going over the product. So I'm excited, and I'm also gonna use this light for streaming as well. So portable phone stabilizer that comes with so many great things. I can't wait to check all these things out. It's gonna be like I'm shooting like cinema movies, you know. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm going ahead to, I know I'm pretty close up, sorry about that. I'm kind of in a hurry, so so this is what it's gonna look like, but way better because I'm gonna angle it much higher up and stuff like that. But you can go ahead and see how my unboxing videos are gonna be way better now. Just by this alone. Just wanted to know that when you have it facing down like this, you want to make sure you have some kind of counterweight on the tripod legs, because the whole thing will come toppling over. Excuse me. I can't really see the video, so I'm not sure if it's got a good angle or what. But I guess we're just gonna roll with it for now. User guide, warranty, all that blah blah. So if I gotta look over later. They did an amazing job boxing it and packaging it. Oh, this is so cool. This is heavy too. Not like super heavy, but like you can tell it's like this part is plastic, but this part over here is metal. I hate how like I got this paint crap on it. Like, what the hell, bro? It's been $100 and it's supposed to be, it's not supposed to look like this. So that sucks, and I'm just gonna have to deal with it for now, because sending shit back through Amazon is a pain in my ass. So you can even put this on a stand, you know, haha. So another good thing I can use my stand for. And it also comes with a mini stand. You can stand my phone on as well, so. And then a cord for the device, because it does need charging. So this thing has many options. On the back it has a trigger. So, and then all your different modes to control your camera on your phone and stuff. So overall, other than the whatever you would call this bad paint job, a very beautiful product, and I can't wait to shoot good videos with this. Another reason why I got this is because while you move it holds the camera still, so there's no shaking. It's just one smooth, flawless scene, you know. So great job. Also in the video down below, I am gonna have a link to all these products that I bought off of Amazon. so y'all can check them out. And you know, maybe if you're trying to get into shooting videos or streaming or whatnot, you know, you can take a look. Because I did my research. I always do my research before I buy stuff. And when I'm investing in things like this, I always, you know, do my research and I read my comments. Whoa, this is crazy. I read the comments, I read the reviews, and I compare similar products on the same price point, you know. So if I can, you know, find another product that's $10 more, you know, that has like another feature, you know, I might as well just spend the $10 more and invest in that, you know. So everything that I bought, I highly recommend, even though I'm not sponsored by none of these products or none of these companies or none of these people. So, and if you have any questions, just, you know, go down in the comments and I will reply to you. No problem. So I can't wait to try out this stuff and shoot better videos for y'all. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And I want to say thank you so much for the day ones. When I told y'all, just stay with me. I'm going to buy better equipment so I can start shooting better videos. And now we're here, you know, you see me growing to my shitty holding my phone in my hand videos with the shaking and movement, and now I got equipment. So this has been another unboxing, multiple unboxings by your boy Silent. Love y'all, God bless, deuces.